Hello, friends. Today, let's talk about few scenarios and circumstances wherein a particular organization or a company who is looking for expansion of their outlet in certain pockets of geography in respective cities. हिंदी में कहावत है चिराग तले अंधेरा. That organization was looking for few properties. They made lot of dry runs within their own organization and many of their listed vendors. This organization to whom today we serve, we were struggling to get some work from them. So we tried approaching some other corridors and we got a particular site to scout. Very coincidentally, very fortunate for Reality Handshake as an organization, as a team. That organization was looking for a property in one vicinity of Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula, for which they were scouting for more than 1.5 years and they were unable to. The moment they shared that particular location and Google coordinates with us, we deputed a couple of our people to take it as a challenge and try and closing it ASAP. And quite surprisingly, we got hold of a property which was fitting all the criterias which were required to that organization. And we proposed it to the organization, and the entire local team and the zonal and central team were stunned to see the proposal. That we were scouting this property for the last more than 1.5 of year and they were unable to. So it all depends upon how many resources, how many hands you have in your organization to cater to the requirements of the companies. Similarly, there was a requirement in one of the other cities in Punjab itself for the same organization. Company was doing the scouting, they hired their existing vendors. Everybody used to say that this is a very congested area. We just cannot find that spacious property. Whatever criterias we have, fulfilling those criterias, we just can't find. So we, as a Reality Handshake, I deputed one of my SPOC for that region. He introspected that location for 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days, he came back to me and said, "Sir, sorry, nothing is available." So I deputed Unit B. That team also went. After around 24 to 36 hours, again the answer was similar. Nothing is available. But as I mentioned, Chirag Tale Andhera. In the evening hours, we were having a call with my team members. So I asked them, "Where exactly are you located?" He mentioned such and such place. So I asked them, "Can you find out some juice vendor or some tea vendor or some pan wala nearby? Because they are the ones, they know people very closely, in particularly that vicinity." So one of my team member got hold of some vendor like this, and he mentioned that there is some property available which belongs to such and such person and he may be instrumental for you. So my guy immediately asked for his number, spoke on that phone number, and that person was quite interested that yes, I have this property and I really want to lease it to somebody reputed, preferably to an organization, not to any individual. So next morning, meeting was fixed. Whatever criterias that organization was looking at, more than those criterias that space was available at, and we were able to close it for that organization. And believe you me, both of these sites which I discussed with you, they are still up and running with the same organization, with all healthy terms and conditions, whatever we agreed upon, and results are awesome. That helped us breaking our ice towards that organization, and today I feel very good and proud to say that we are one of the most preferred channel partner for them in this geography wherever we are catering to. So all I would say is, जब हाथ थक जाते हैं तो प्लान A, प्लान B या प्लान C काम आता है. We as a Reality Handshake, we have people, we have resources in the geographies, in the areas wherever we are catering to. So may I request, if you can try giving us an opportunity, we would never let you feel down and we'll try to serve you at the best of our own capacities and best of our own capabilities. Thank you for watching this video. May I request you to share this video, like this video, and visit our website www.realityhandshake.com. Thank you and have a good day.